number 5 to Fireball. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please do join me here to Fireball. Welcome, everybody. Well, out to the 500 exit could be. I hope we can get it. Let's see, where will the ball land? Somewhere there in the front. What was it? Let's check out the multiplier. It is 20x there. Congratulations to all of the winners for the 20x this time we go. So compliments to each and every one of the winners. Let's place the back. And once again, compliments to 1,108 winners, L7, BF, A, and C. And here we meet. Your betting time is all yours. So do your preparations and wishing you the best of luck. You're talking about getting married. So how you got the wedding plan already? That's interesting. Okay. Good luck. When's the wedding go? Sounds like you're really excited. Let's go. I'm a big fan of weddings, though, when it comes to being a wedding guest. We got 20x on Monster Mash and the number 4. We got a lead segment here. Leave segment right there on the wheel. 1-to-1 payout going right out to each and every one of the winners. 419 of you won. LN7, Chris, KMK, and now new betting time. So place your best for the next round. Join the conversation if you feel like, and let's get going. For how many hours do you work? Well, you know the saying, time flies when you're having fun. That is how I feel about it. Final moments here. Good luck, everybody. So, how about, what is something that you'd love to share about yourselves? What is your favorite thing about you? We got 10x and 15. What kind of talents have you got? What is something that you're good at? Those usually happen to be the things that people are very keen on sharing. And that is going to be a leaf. Leave segment right there in the wheel. Congratulations to all the winners. 1-to-1 payout to 412 of you. 33807 L7 and now new betting time. So place your best for the next round and let's get going. You're asking me, is it get tiring? No, I love it. Like, I love to see people being happy. I love to share these conversations. I love to be in this environment. I love to, go for the winning segments. It's great, really. Love it. Fun for me. Let's go. What about the wheel multipliers? 2x and a battery charger. That's the number 1. All right. How am I? I'm doing great today. What about you? What is your point of view? We gotta leave. Leave segment right there in the wheel. Congratulations to all of the winners. There we go. 373 of you won. 33L7, Chris. Now new betting time. So place your bets for the next round and let's get going. But B&G, does that mean that we met beforehand? Have we? Do we know one another? Let's go. You like my French? Well, thank you so much. I've been having this hairstyle for, let me do some quick maths. 8x on the 5-ball, number 13. But I guess I'm not ready quite yet. I will still stick to the French. 12, Monster Mash.
It's the Monster Mash.
Oh, yes, indeed. It's the Monster Mash. Well, let's make our own monsters, shall we? Best of luck, everybody. Starting out with the legs.
It was a great
1x for the legs, 5x for the body. What about the head? 2x for the head. So add it all together and it makes it 8x multiplier for each and every one of the winners. There we go. In total, we're talking 1,164 winners and A2K, 2ZR, and right back at the wheel we meet. New betting time, new opportunities, new possibilities. So trying to see the future, trying to predict that next winning segment. So you're saying The name of my hairstyle is similar to your nickname. Well, I guess that is the case. That sounds fancy. It's going to be 3x on number 2, 3x and 12. Let's see, the wheels starting to slow down. And the next winning segment, number 3, Monster Mash. Right back we go.
It's the Monster Mash.
Oh yes, indeed, it's a Monster Mash. Oh hi, lovely to meet you here for the second time in a row, making our own monster.
It was a
4x global multiply for the legs, 2x for the body, and for the head. 20x, but wait for it, let's apply the 4x global multiplier. And as a result to that, 88x going right out to each and every one of the winners. Looks like the monster had a leg day today. Okay, love to see that. 1,177 winners, Al Thomas BZ. And right here we mean new betting time, new opportunities, new possibilities. Yes, Anna, lovely to see you happy. And Arno too. Amazing. If we were talking about sticking to the classics, how would you say? In general, do you love to experiment? Or do you love to stick to what you like? Last Monster Mash, 88x multiplier, 3x on a hot spot, number 12 dare. Like for example, I said I love to stick to the same hairstyle. What about you? When do you love to experiment? When do you stick to the classics? We got a leaf. Leaf segment right there on the wheel. Congratulations going out to 374 winners for 3KM, Aaron, and now new betting time. So place your bets for the next round. Join the conversation. Newcomers, hi. Have you been? Lovely to meet you here at Lightning Storm within the last 5 rounds. 3 leaf segments. And twice we went to the Monster Mash. Me personally, I love to experiment when it comes to trying out various new dishes. I got this rule with myself. 4x on 14, Lightning Storm, 4x on 10, Fireball, or at least it has to be a different dish from the menu. It's going to be a leaf. Leaf segment right there on the wheel. 1-to-1 payout going right out to each and every one of the 440 winners. 3-3 Aaron, BFR, and now new betting time. So please your bets for the next round. I'm wishing you good luck, dear ladies and gentlemen. So what about you? Do you love to stick to the classics? Do you Good luck. Let's go for the wheel multipliers. We got 4x in a hot spot, number 17, and 5x and 16, the Lightning Storm. Agnes, hi. I love how many eyes you added to your high. Oh, wow, 16, Lightning Storm with 5x.
Lightning Storm.
Oh yes, Lightning Storm it is. Please, meet me on the rooftop. Oh hi, so incredible to meet you here. This time we brought a wheel multiplier with us. Let's apply it then, shall we? 5x, getting applied. It's our potential here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please. Make your choice whether to go for the first, for the second, or for the third strike. How do you feel like? Which one will bring you the highest multiplier, the highest payout? Well, let's see about it. Starting out with the first strike, and we're going to have a global multiplier for it. Up 2x. All right, doubling it all. Now this looks very sweet. Wow. So we got 150. And 300 combined for those of you who picked the first strike, making it 450 eggs. Okay, this looks nice. What about a second strike, though? Let's go. 150 100, 500, and 150x combined, making it 750x. Wow. Well, what about the third strike then? Let's see about it. We got 1,550 combined, making it 200x multiplier. Congratulations to all the winners. This was real fun. Special compliments to those of you who got that 750x. Let's bring back the wheel.